Wheel spacers are a common modification for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The wheel spacers can change the wheel's offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be well adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus feature. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption, and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. In addition, high-precision wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. So, if you are considering installing wheel spacers for your vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.